Hi loves, greetings to you. I'm so excited for you to be here. In today's video, we are going to be making orange chicken that is easy and delicious, and I know you will like it. I will start by getting the zest of 2 oranges and also the juice of 3 oranges, about 1 cup of orange juice. These oranges are quite big and juicy, so that helped me a lot to get enough juice. After getting our orange juice, I'm going to be adding the zest to the orange juice. I will make our mixture for our sauce. I'll be adding some soy sauce, ginger, garlic, red pepper flakes, brown sugar, a bit of sesame oil for flavor, and also some apple cider vinegar. You can always adjust the amount of pepper you put into this recipe. I wanted a little hot, so I added a little bit more, but you are free to use reduce it or add more if you would like to. So after adding everything, I'm going to stir it and set it aside. In a smaller bowl, I'm going to be making slurry of cornstarch and water, which we are going to use to thicken our sauce. 1 part of cornstarch and 2 parts of water. I'll mix it nicely and I'll set it aside. I will be using chicken breast. You can use any chicken or any part of the chicken that you would like to use. I'm just going to cut this into smaller pieces and we'll move on to the recipe. After cutting our chicken, I'm going to break 1 egg into a bigger bowl, give it a good mix, and I'll transfer the chicken into it. And I'll be adding black pepper and salt. You can season the chicken to your taste, but I'm just going to go light on the seasoning because the sauce is going to be flavorful. Onto another plate, I'll be adding 1/2 cup of cornstarch and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and I'll add some salt and black pepper, give it a good stir, and I'm going to be using this to coat all our chicken. After coating your chicken, you have the option of frying it as in oil, deep frying, or you can also bake it, or you can also air fry it. Whichever way you choose to go, that is perfect. I'm just going to dust the excess flour off the chicken and I'll put it on the plate. I will be air frying my chicken, so I'm just going to spray my air fryer basket with some cooking spray to prevent the chicken from sticking, and I'm going to be air frying all the chicken and we'll continue with our recipe. Once the chicken is cooking in the air fryer, I'll set the timer to the timer that I would like this to be cooked on, and we'll make our sauce. In a pan on medium-low heat, I'll pour in my orange sauce or orange mixture, and I'll let it come to a boil and I'll reduce the heat to low. Checking on the chicken is looking nicely. I'll give it a 10, put it back, and we'll continue making our sauce. At this point, I'll reduce the heat to low and I will be adding my slurry that will help our sauce to be thickened. After adding it, I'll give it a stir and I'll add my chicken and stir everything until the chicken is nicely coated with the sauce. And still on low heat, I'm just going to allow this to simmer nicely. I'll let this simmer for about 5 minutes on low heat, and I'll also be garnishing it with some sesame seed and some green onions or scallion. This is totally optional, but it gives this recipe a beautiful restaurant signature look. So our orange chicken is ready. I served mine with some rice. You can serve this with any other thing that you would like to. And this recipe was just straightforward, quick and easy, but so delicious. I would like to say thank you so much for coming on this delicious adventure with me. And I want to say thank you for watching this video throughout. And if you like this simple recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos in the future, and press that notification button so you are notified anytime I upload a new video. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.